चिल्ड्रन, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप लोग एकदम मजे में होंगे। सो आइए नया टॉपिक लेते हैं, पीपल फॉर रिडेम्पशन एंड वेलफेयर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी। आर यू पीपल रेडी? लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। मैच द फॉलोइंग करेक्टली। इन सब की पिक्चर्स के अकॉर्डिंग इन्हें मैच करिए। Many people dedicated their entire lives to the betterment of people and society. They include religious reformers, social reformers, rulers and scientists. So let's learn about some of them जिन्होंने देश के लिए, अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने लोगों के लिए अपनी पूरी जिंदगी लगा दी। Religious leaders. First we will talk about them. Hinduism is one of the world's oldest religions and there are various holy books in Hinduism. The most important are the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata and the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Hinduism has produced many famous saints and sages such as Adi Shankaracharya, Shri Ramanujacharya, Maharishi Dayanand, Ramakrishna, Paramahansa and Swami Vivekanand. Their teachings have helped people understand religion better. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism and he has born approximately 2500 years ago. He was a prince but renounced everything in order to get true knowledge of life. After many years of hard struggle, he attained enlightenment. He then began preaching his message. He taught people to shun senseless rituals practiced by them and he told them to follow the eightfold path. Eightfold path consists of right thinking, right speech, right knowledge, right living, right action, right effort, right observation and right meditation. So ये जो 8 उन्होंने हमें रास्ते दिखाए जिनके ऊपर चलकर हमें आगे बढ़ना था, तो ये हमारे लिए, हम सब लोगों के लिए बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद साबित हुए। Buddhists are his followers. The Buddhist sacred writings are Dhammapada and Tripitaka. Now, Lord Mahavira was born at the same time as Lord Buddha. He was the founder of the Jain religion. He too, like Buddha, renounced everything to get true knowledge and he is the 24th Tirathkara of the Jains. He laid stress on right faith, right conduct, right knowledge and non-violence. Jesus Christ founded the religion Christianity. He was born at Bethlehem in West Asia. The Bible is the holy book of Christians and he taught people to embrace God and the value of forgiveness. Yes, इन्होंने हमें सिखाया कि माफ़ करना कितना अच्छा काम है। किसी से कोई गलती हो जाए, क्षमा करो और आगे बढ़ो। Guru Nanak Dev Ji was the founder of Sikhism and he taught that there is only one God and people should live in peace. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs and it contains a collection of hymns and is also called the Adi Granth. Zarathustra founded Zoroastrianism in Iran and he stated that the world is divided into two forces, good and evil. He taught people that it is our responsibility to be good and to oppose evil. तो बुराई को दूर रखें और ये हमारा ही कर्तव्य है कि हम अच्छे बने रहें। The Zend Avesta is the holy book of the Parsis. Now Islam is followed by the Muslims and it was founded by the Prophet Muhammad and the Prophet spread the message that God is one, परमात्मा एक है. And Muslims must pray 5 times a day and must observe fast in the holy month of Ramadan. Muslims should also give a small portion of their wealth to poor and needy and he taught people to love each other and to live peacefully. The two most holy places of Muslims are Makkah and Medina in Saudi Arabia. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Social reformers. Apart from religious leaders, there were various social reformers who taught tirelessly for social justice, women's rights and education. Social reformers are those who teach us to give up wrong practices and have love our fellow beings. Some of the social reformers were Kabir, Ramabhai Ranade and Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Kabir. Kabir was an Indian mystic poet, saint and social reformer. He was born in 1440 AD near Varanasi and he was raised by a weaver couple named Neeru and Nima. Swami Ramananda was his guru and he fought against social evils such as caste discrimination and the importance given to rituals by the Hindu priest and Muslim ulamas. He propagated his ideas through singing bhajans and writing dohas. तो आपने उनके दोहेज तो पढ़े ही होंगे. Ramabhai Ranade, and she was the great social reformer of Maharashtra. She spent her life working for the uplift of women. औरतों के लिए बहुत काम किया उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. She established the Seva Sadan Society for Widows. She worked for their remarriage and also for the welfare of the children. इन्होंने उनके जो widows थी उनकी remarriage के लिए बहुत काम किया, बच्चों के लिए उनके welfare के लिए बहुत काम किया. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he was born in Bengal and India was ruled by the British at that time. He was against the practice of sati, early marriage and illiteracy. He founded the Brahma Samaj to reform the evils of our society. He is considered as the father of the Indian Renaissance. Great scientist of India. India has, produced many intellectuals and scientists who have made significant contributions in the fields of mathematics, science and astronomy. India also gave the concept of zero to the world. Yes, शून्य तो भारत ने ही दिया था. The numbers 1 through 10 and the decimal system, ये सब भारत ने दिया था. Arab traders learned these numbers from India and took them to Europe. The Arabs referred to the numbers as Hinsa. The Arabs referred to the numbers as Hinsa. We remember Indian mathematician Sir Ramanujan for his invaluable contribution. Sir C.V. Raman, Homi J. Bhabha and J.C. Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam and Vikram Sarabhai have been recognized all over the world for their contribution in the field of modern science. In 1930, C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of a phenomenon known as the Raman effect. Aryabhatta and Varahamihira were the two astronomers of early times. Charaka and Sushruta were famous physicians of ancient times. Now there are few questions for you people. Try to answer the following questions. Great rulers of India. Many great kings ruled over India. They worked for the betterment of their people. Let's know about some of them. Ashoka the Great. Ashoka the Great was a Mauryan king. He once fought against the Kalinga ruler. Thousands of soldiers died on both the sides. He felt himself terribly wrong and gave up fighting and violence forever. He became a Buddhist. He devoted the rest of his life to the welfare of his people. He planted trees on both the sides of the roads and dug wells for the travelers. He also opened hospitals for both humans and animals. He spread his messages to people through inscriptions of rocks and pillars. The Ashoka pillar at Sarnath is well known for its beauty and exquisite art. Our national emblem has been taken from that pillar. Knowledge booster, Ashoka was also known as Chandshoka. Chandshoka, it was also the name of Ashoka. Krishna Deva Rai. Krishna Deva Rai, he was a great ruler of the Vijayanagar kingdom in South India and he lived about 600 years ago. He was a brave king, a learned scholar and a kind man. He was a scholar of Telugu and Sanskrit languages. And he fought and won many battles. He built many roads, temples, towers and beautiful buildings in his empire. The ruins of these buildings are found at Hampi in Karnataka. Akbar. Akbar was a great Mughal ruler. He was Humayun's son, and Akbar's full name was Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, and he was only 13 when he ascended the throne. He won a number of battles. He established a vast empire and spanned practically the entirety of India. He was tolerant of all reasons. He was tolerant of all religions, and he abolished jizya, a pilgrimage tax against non-Muslims. He built many buildings in Agra, Ajmer, Delhi and other cities. He built the Agra fort and most of the buildings at Fatehpur Sikri, including the Buland Darwaja, Panch Mahal and Ibadat Khana. He promoted art, music, literature and culture. In his court, he had many poets, writers and singers. Birbal was one of the 9 jewels in Akbar's court. So 9 रत्नों में से एक अकबर जी के यहाँ बीरबल भी थे. Knowledge booster. Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai was the key person behind the launch of India's first satellite, Aryabhatta, in April 1975. So बच्चों, let's wrap up. Okay, once more. Let's recall the chapter. Many Indians dedicated their entire lives to the betterment of people and society. Hinduism is one of the world's oldest religions. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. He was born approximately 2500 years ago. Islam is followed by Muslims. It was founded by the Prophet Muhammad. Kabir was born in 1440 AD and near Varanasi, and he was raised by a weaver couple named Neeru and Neema. Ramabhai Ranade, she spent her life working for the uplift of women. India has produced many intellectuals and scientists who have made significant contributions in the field of mathematics, science and astronomy. Many great kings ruled over India. They worked for the betterment of their people. Akbar was a great Mughal ruler. He was Humayun's son, and Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar was Akbar's full name. Now, bachcho, it's your turn. Let's check point. Let's have a look on this checkpoint. Tick the correct answer in A part. आपको एक आंसर correct one choose करना है according to your question. Fill in the blanks. Check the words which are missed and get them from the chapter. C. Answer the questions in brief. D. Answer the questions in detail. तो कुछ जो brief में देने हैं उनको 3-4 lines में आंसर करिए, और जो detail में देने हैं उनका explanation पूरा दीजिए, उन्हें डिटेल में लिखिए. And Hots, how did the social reformers help society? Do you think your state or country needs social reformers? Aged give the reasons of value-based questions. Life skill, you must be aware of the problem of child abuse in our society. Make a poster creating awareness about the same. Knowledge of India. Name any one famous scientist of India apart from those mentioned in the chapter. जो आपको यहाँ दिखाए गए हैं उनको छोड़कर कोई और एक famous scientist का नाम बताइए. And write about his or contributions of India. Picture based questions. यहाँ पे आपको एक picture दिखाई गई है. Observe the picture which is at the right part and answer the following questions. Assertion reason questions. In each of the following questions, a statement of assertion A is given and a corresponding statement of reason R is given below. Mark the correct option. Project activity. Prepare a PowerPoint presentation of any one of the below mentioned personalities and show it in your class. Sir Ramanujan, Homi J. Bhabha and APJ Abdul Kalam. इनके बारे में presentation बनाइए और दिखाइए अपनी क्लास में and have fun. Enjoy.